I was once just like you, living in the shadows of the past I couldn't escape. 10 years dedicating to others, fulfilling obligations, always the problem solver, the caregiver. But what happens when you've given everything away and there is nothing left for you? When you've forgotten who you truly are? Does this sound familiar? You wake up every morning fulfilling obligations, but on the inside you feel like you're barely existing, waiting for someone to come rescue you from the emptiness. You want to be happy again, but the weight of the past and the questions of why me keep you stuck. You feel like there is no way out. But what if I told you there is? Today you learn how to break free from the past and start creating habits that allow you to thrive. This is not just about moving on, it is about reclaiming your happiness by nurturing 4 essential states of being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. It starts with your body, a consistent morning routine, nourishing your body with the right foods and daily movement. These simple habits do more than just make you feel better physically. They are sending a signal to your mind that you are worth the effort, worth the time. You are building the foundation for the new you. Next, let's talk about your emotional state. When was the last time you felt truly present? Meditation and hobbies that bring you joy, whether it's art, gardening, or simply being with yourself, pull you into the present moment. And being present means freeing yourself from emotional weight of the past. Feelings are fleeting. By learning to live in a present moment, you reclaim your emotional freedom. You stop letting the past dictate how you feel today. The mind can be your greatest prison or your greatest ally. Right now you might feel stuck in victimhood, being weighed down by feelings of why me. But here's the truth. You have the power to change your mindset. By surrounding yourself with positive influences, people who uplift and inspire you, and by decluttering your environment, you create mental clarity. Your thoughts shape your reality. By choosing to free yourself from negative narratives of the past, you open the door to the endless possibilities for happiness. Happiness isn't about waiting for something external to change. It's about realizing that happiness lives within you. By connecting to your deeper self, your spiritual essence, and serving others, you start living your purpose. And that's where true fulfillment lies. Finding your purpose, living with gratitude, and sharing your unique gifts. This is how you break free from the cycle of pain and step into the life of joy and meaning. I was able to reclaim my happiness by creating habits in those 4 states of being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, and so can you. The path to inner peace is not as far away as it seems. It is within you, ready to be unlocked. If you're ready to break free from the trauma of your past, rediscover who you are, and live the life you've always deserved, I invite you to take the first step. My new book, The Gift Inside, will guide you deeper into this journey. It's your time. Start your journey now.